In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 72 by 9 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 7. It is less than 9, so we will consider the whole number 72. From the multiplication table of 9, we know that 9 times 8 is 72. Subtract, we get 0. As we have obtained the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8. Now we can find this value using another method. We know that 72 divided by 9 can be written as 72 over 9. Now we will write 72 as 9 times 8 and we have 9 in the bottom. Now cancel the common number which is 9. So it is just equal to 8. Therefore 72 divided by 9 is equal to 8 and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.